So if you search some budget smartphones in today's market, you will find two smartphones the best. One is Samsung F15 and the other one is Moto G34. So this video would be a short comparison video between the two and my thoughts on which is the best among the two. First, I'll start with the processor. Samsung F15 comes with MediaTek 6100 Plus, while Moto G34 comes with Snapdragon 695. MediaTek 6100 Plus is more performance rich as compared to Snapdragon 695. Now about the display, Samsung F15 comes with 6.5 Super AMOLED display with 90 Hz, while Moto G34 comes with 6.5 LCD display with 120 Hz. Now about the rear camera, F15 comes with a triple camera. One is 50 megapixel primary sensor, the second one is 5 megapixel secondary sensor, and the last one is 2 megapixel macro. On the other hand, G34 comes with two cameras. One is 50 megapixel primary sensor and the other one is 2 megapixel macro. While we open the camera on G34, we'll see some motion blur while using the camera, and also the photo quality is very much low. But when we open the camera of F15, there's no such issues, and the camera quality is very good and texture is also very much outstanding. Now about the selfie cam, Moto G34 have 16 megapixel and F15 have 30 megapixel. Even though the megapixel is more in G34, the overall photo quality optimization and photo quality processing is good in Samsung F15. Now about the battery, Samsung F15 have a big 6000 mAh battery, which of course lasts more than Moto G34's 5000 mAh battery. Still, the battery optimization of both the phones is pretty much good. Along with that, Samsung F15 have a 25 watt charger and Moto G34 have a 18 watt charger. Now about the color variants, both the phone comes in two color variants. F15 comes with two storage variants. One is 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM, and the other one is 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Moto G34 also comes with two storage variants. One is 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM, and the other one is 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Now about the software and overall updates, both the phone comes with Android 14 out of the box, but Samsung F15 software is more reliable and stable as compared to Moto G34. Samsung promises 4 years Android update and 5 years of security upgrades, and which G34 doesn't provide any. Now finally about the hands-on feel of both the phones. Samsung F15 feels more premium and the back looks of glass, but it's a glossy polycarbonate. The weight of the phone is also heavier than Moto G34. Now talking about Moto G34, the back is a leather back finishing and the phone is more lighter than Samsung F15. F15 is thick and Motorola G34 is thin. So the overall winner from my side would be under 15K. By buying Samsung F15, the customer will get excellent camera performance with more stable and reliable software, and along with that a bigger battery, a bigger optimized one. So that's it. That's all about the video today. Goodbye.